Scandia Heating have made selecting the correct flue as easy as possible, with a range of default flue kits to accommodate most standard installations. Scandia's freestanding 4-metre flue kits are independently tested to comply with Australian standards when installed with any freestanding or inbuilt Scandia wood fire. Our default flue kits contain most of the elements necessary to undertake what is reasonably considered as a standard single-storey installation, except for roof flashing. When selecting a flue, consider this. The black mesh flue is generally considered more traditional in its styling and is the ideal companion for models like our Warm Bright range. The sleek black and graphite flues offer a more contemporary feel, perfect for edge, helix and stylist models. But they look just as good on every wood fire in the Scandia range. Our inbuilt flue kit is designed to facilitate the installation of an inbuilt wood fire into a masonry fireplace that has a brick chimney. It is important when installing this flue kit that the installation complies with Australian standards, which requires the active flue extends the full height of the chimney and that the chimney plate provided is located using a mortar mix. Installing an inbuilt wood fire into a timber stud wall requires the use of a zero clearance box and a compatible triple skin flue kit. Scandia's triple skin flue kits reduce clearance to combustible distance significantly in walls and ceilings. On occasion, our default flue kits will not include all of the elements necessary to complete an installation, and the need for a bend or extension kit may arise. Scandia manufactures a full range of bends and extensions to accommodate a large variety of installation options. To get the best advice on which flue to select and see our full range of products, visit your local Bunnings warehouse.